Hi guys, it's Alicja here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to draw Cornelia in the background while answering your questions you asked me on Instagram. So let's go. The first one really stood out because it was from Chris and it was in all caps, asking me when I'm going to stream on Twitch. First of all, please don't scream at me. Second of all, it's not been a year, Chris. It's been 6 months. But I get it, it's been a long time, and actually I'm going to stream today because I think my Wi-Fi got better. We'll see. I'll see you on the stream, I guess. The second question, also from Chris, he asked me, what's your credit card number? I don't know what's a credit card, so next question. Question from Kriya van A. What would you like to say to the people who got mad at you for tracing your own pic? Well, I have something to say, and I wish you well. In hell. I think that those were just children or unexperienced artists or very, very better artists. Because even tracing your own picture, it's like art can't be a crime. Like if you steal someone's art, this is a crime. I sounded Scottish. This is a crime. But you can do whatever actually to get the final result that you want. And if I decide that I want to trace and not trace by every line, because this will never look good, guys. If you want to trace, first of all, use a picture that you can use. Second of all, don't trace everything exactly as it is because it will look bad. Trace like just a little shit, just the dynamics, just slightly to get the idea. And then you change it anyway. I changed everything. The thing, what I draw right now, what you see in the background, this is what I traced. But if you look at it next to the original picture, it doesn't look alike anymore. I changed so many things. Like the final line art is nothing from the tracing is left anymore. So if I want to trace to make my life easier, because my life is hard already, okay, I'm going to trace. Okay. And I'm tired of people shaming other artists for doing normal things, like for using a reference. Some people get mad at you for using a reference. Like if you get mad at those things, it means that you are just literally a child. Because everyone who is over age of 10 knows that using a reference is the foundation of creating art. So, yeah. Thank you. DrawQ asked me how to grow an art account because I always see people go viral in 2 months. Well, it can be really annoying for all those artists that are trying to grow for like years maybe, and they don't grow that much. And then there's that one person that just shares a short video with just some small progress, but because it's just entertaining and because Instagram or TikTok algorithm liked it, they will like go viral, like 1 million views, so many likes, and they get thousands of followers in one day and then thousands of followers in the second day. I know it's annoying. You actually can't do anything about it because the whole algorithm of everything changed so much. And I have a tutorial about how to grow on Instagram. I wouldn't say it's outdated because it puts you in a place where you can get the luck, but in these days you really need the luck. But it doesn't mean that you just have to sit and wait for the luck to happen. No. You need to post and you need to be clever. You need to think what can let you go viral, because going viral is the way to go nowadays, at least for beginning artists. Because artists like me or just different bigger artists that already have an audience, we don't have to worry about it that much. Although I do have to worry about it actually. because it's my job. But I don't have to worry about it that much. I think for new artists, it's gotten at the same time more difficult and easier, because you can be one of those people that just go viral out of nowhere. You have your account for a month, and it's your first posted video, for example, on TikTok, you'll go viral. You have so many followers already, and it just goes easy for you. And there are also other people that don't get the luck. But if you are one of those people that didn't get the luck yet, I can cheer you up actually, because it's not difficult. It's really not difficult to get the luck. I was on TikTok. It was new for me. And I was posting my videos just from Instagram. On Instagram, some of those videos could go viral. And on TikTok, the same videos were just not viewed at all. Like 20 views, 100 views, and that was it. And then one day I posted the Jinx video, and it went viral. I got like 450,000 views, 150,000 likes. So it was really good for me. And then from this one video, I already have like almost 30,000 followers. So you just have to keep trying. And I see so many videos, so many artists on Instagram, on TikTok, just growing, and you don't have to be good. Actually, not being too good can help you sometimes, because when you are really, really good and your tutorials or just progress videos or anything are too difficult, sometimes it's annoying for people. People don't want to see things that they can't do. And most artists are going to be like, if you put them next to each other, most artists are beginning artists, because the advanced artists are the ones that didn't give up, and the beginning artists are, some of them are going to give up one day with getting better, you know. So most of the artists, like 80% of the artists are bad, okay? And those artists most likely will want to see someone that is just better than them, something that they can do too. And people like it. People like to see something they can recreate. So don't get discouraged that there are so many amazing artists. Make your content interesting and just relatable. Relatable is so good. If you're not an advanced artist yet, you can be relatable, and it's powerful sometimes. Next question from Uzwawali. Do you support Muslims? Well, I support Muslims as much as I support any other religious group of people. I just do. I'm neutral most of the time. I'm always neutral, I guess. I do like Muslims, although you can't really say you like such a big group of people, because it's so big, and I only know like a few dozens. Okay, I am overcomplicating this question. Yes, I do support. Next question, and I actually have two questions from Lucarcano. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it the right way, probably not. The brushes that we buy on your website can be updated if you add or change something. Yes, that's the whole point. I want you guys to update those brushes. Just use the same link when you buy it. Use the same link when I say somewhere to update this particular brush set. Download it again and it will be updated from the same link. So keep the link. Remember to keep the link, please, because then I get like dozens of emails the day I say to update the brush set. Oh yeah, I lost my email. I can't download it. Can you send it again? And then I have extra work. You know? So please keep your email safe. Next question from Lucarcano. What happened to your piercing? It looks super cool on you. I kind of grew out of it. Like, I don't know. I just lost it one day and decided to not search for it anymore. So, yeah, that's how simple it went. Last question, JVSTNOML Nomi asks me, what video / courses / resources would you recommend to improve their art skills? Well, I definitely recommend every tutorial I have on my YouTube channel. I recommend watching my short tutorials on my Instagram. And yeah, and watching my Twitch streams when I draw. That's something I recommend 100% for sure. Okay, okay. I wanted to say okay, guys, and I said okays. That's what I'm going to say from now on. Yeah. So okays, this is it for today. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching and for listening. And if you want to see my face or hear my voice once again, make sure to subscribe to my channel with the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new amazing video, because I think YouTube hates me sometimes. It doesn't show my videos to my subscribers. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. To get my brushes, go on my website, alicja.prince.com. And I'll see you in the next video. I love you. Mwah.